everyone, today I'm going to show how to make taro dessert. For the ingredient I have coconut milk and one taro that I already peel off the skin and sugar cane. Okay, right now I'm going to cut the taro. After cut, so I'm going to deep fry the taro. Okay, and let cook the taro until it becomes golden brown. Okay, right now the taro is ready, so I'm going to transfer to the plate, and after that I'm going to make caramel sugar. Now in the hot pan I'm going to add some sugar cane and coconut milk. And then add a little bit of salt. Okay, and right now I'm going to add deep fried taro inside. Okay, right now the taro is ready, so I'm going to transfer to the plate. This taro dessert is very good. You can try to make it at home. And thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.